Hi everyone, it's Mackenzie Brown with Brown Law. I'm giving you a little behind the scenes this afternoon. I'm going to walk around the office just a little bit and show you kind of where we work. So this is my office, this is my desk. I don't like paper, obviously, so there's not much of it at all. It's pretty much just the computer. I do have some microphones here that I use when I give podcast interviews, which I've been doing a lot of lately. I also really enjoy Jackson Pollock. So we have a couple Jackson Pollocks on the wall. I know a lot of people don't like his stuff, but I adore him. So I got those. Over here, we have some books and awards. 2015 Divorce Attorney of the Year. This is my favorite thing I have in the office. This is from Antonin Scalia's funeral. I went to it in Washington, D.C. and picked up the Mass of the Christian Burial booklet. It was a great experience. I just walked into it, actually. I was surprised that the Secret Service let me in. So that's my office. Let's go to the conference room. So this is where we meet with our clients. Just here in the conference room. We have a little bit of artwork up here. All of this is from Spain. An architect named Gaudi, who I really enjoy. So that's the conference room. We'll go back to Clay's office. This is Clay Randall, one of our attorneys. What are you working on, Clay?
Well, I was working on a response and counter motion for temporary orders, but opposing counsel in another case just sent me a urgent email, and so I am taking care of that. And by urgent, I was the one who created the urgency, so he just gave me a response that I wanted. So now I'm forwarding that to the client to let him know we got a response, and hopefully they'll be happy with that response.
Good. And then, so Clay has a whole bunch of Star Wars stuff in here. We would be remiss if we didn't talk about Star Wars coming into Clay's office. So tell us about your love of Star Wars, Clay.
You know, I think just about one item on every shelf isn't a dead giveaway, but
it's pretty close.
It's pretty close. So yes, I really like Star Wars.
How many times have you gone to see the Star Wars thing at Disneyland this year?
I
don't even know.
By Star Wars thing at Disneyland, Mr. Brown is referring to the new park in Disneyland called Galaxy's Edge. I went opening week. I went and I was there for 3 days and went every day, and then I went a couple weeks ago. We surprised my wife for her birthday, and we went to Disneyland for a day, and then we're gonna go again in February next year when the new ride opens. So
your kids enjoy that?
The kids enjoy it. They don't know that we're going in February because they're not actually going. It's just going to be my wife and I.
Okay.
So.
All right. Awesome. Okay. Thanks, man.
You're welcome.
All right. Let's go downstairs. But before we do, show everybody where the bathrooms are. We have bathrooms on both floors. Just in here, where there's another office kind of adjacent over there. Let's walk on down. So this is our reception area. It's a little bit small, but that's okay. We don't have a lot of foot traffic coming through. When we have clients come in, we schedule things so there aren't, we aren't stacking people up and it gets kind of awkward. Over here is Daniel's desk, and Daniel is the guy walking around with the camera. So Daniel, say hi.
Hey.
Daniel's the guy you talk to when you call on the phone, and he routes all the phone calls to everybody. Let's talk to John for a second. This is John Huebsch, been with us for a while now. What are you working on, John?
Finalizing a divorce, drafting up the documents, the decree, just finishing up making these people divorce.
Good. So John does not do Star Wars like Clay does. John served his mission in Italy. At the same time, I served my mission in Italy, so there's the Italian map up there. And we went back to Rome not too long ago.
March.
In March.
Yeah.
How was it? Tell everybody how it was.
everything you would expect it to be. Wish I was there.
What was the favorite thing you ate when you were there?
The pasta, I would say. My favorite dish is just a ragu pasta with a meat sauce, and I had that several times. Different areas, so it was different each time, but
There are no Italians on keto diets.
no.
You ever met an Italian that did keto?
No.
There's too much. There's just too much pasta. And it's too good.
Carbs, meat, dairy, we eat it all.
That's right. Okay. Thanks, man. Yeah. We'll go into Mackenzie's office. So Mackenzie's actually at a mediation right now, but this is her office. Before she was an attorney, she worked for the Parks Service. So there are all of these photos of the parks that she worked in. And we'll go back to Tom's office. So Tom is the newest member of the firm. How are you doing?
I'm doing good.
Is that ugly view on his desk?
I think it looks beautiful.
Tell us who else is on the desk here.
See, I've got Ruth Bader Ginsburg, and I've got Saul from Better Call Saul. Figure two polar opposites are a great way to represent the chaos that goes on in here sometimes. So
Yeah. What are you working on?
right now I'm preparing new paperwork for newest client, getting ready to file a divorce on his behalf, and closing out a few other cases, doing final paperwork on those. So
Great. Awesome, man. Well,
Keep me busy.
back to
Have
it.
fun.
Thanks. Well, thanks everybody for coming with us on this little tour of the office. I appreciate it. If you need help with the divorce, give us a call, 801-685-9999. Bye.